Good afternoon everyone. My name is SrikritiReddy and today I am going to tell you about desert climate. First of all, how are actually deserts formed? Deserts are formed because of the mountains and blow of winds and distance from the sea and erosion are the main causes, and also the deserts are also formed due to human action. How will the blow of wind? For suppose in an area, if the clouds come and the winds take away the clouds fastly and do not allow a little rainfall in that area, it will become barren without any rainfall and it causes to form deserts. For example, in a mountain ranges, like if there is a mountain here and on the other side, if the clouds come, they rain heavily there, but the mountain will not allow the clouds to go to the other side. So the clouds go back again, leaving the other leeward side dry without any rainfall. So, and how are they formed? Due to human action, industries like that. So, now distribution. Deserts experience extreme temperatures, extreme climatic conditions. So, the deserts are located in all three temperature zones of the earth. They are mainly located, their latitudinal location is 20 degree north, 30 degrees south in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, and northern hemisphere and southern hemispheres. So now there are two types of deserts, hot desert and cold desert. So what are the examples of hot desert? The Arabian Desert and the Great Indian Desert in Asia, and Peruvian Desert in South America, and Kalahari and the Sahara Desert in the Africa. So these all deserts are located in the western regions of the continents or around the tropics. So now in the cold deserts it includes Gobi Desert in Asia and Patagonian Desert in South America. So now climate in deserts. Deserts experience arid climate. They experience extreme climatic conditions. The high temperatures are recorded in the Sahara and the Antarctica. The Sahara is the world's largest and hottest desert. Deserts are mainly formed due to the mountain ranges, blow of winds and distances from the sea, and soil erosion and due to human action are the main causes of deserts. So now let's talk about flora. Flora means vegetation. Now we are going to discuss about the vegetation and the plants that are grown in deserts. In deserts like the Great Australian Deserts, they have yucca, baobab and saguaro trees. So the plants located in the deserts have deep and large roots and leathery leaves and they with wax coating. And so in North America, the trees like Joshua and yucca trees grow in there. So in the cold deserts, the plants are grown coarse grass and short shrubs and short grass are grown in the cold desert. So now fauna. Let's talk about fauna. Fauna means the animal species found in the deserts. We know camel. Camel, it is the ship of desert and it is the beast of burden in the desert and it is the best means of transport in deserts. It can go through the rough conditions that it is going to face, and it is also the symbol of the desert, And when the water is available, it stores the water in its large volumes of the body, which is called as humps. And that's why in Gobi Desert especially, the camels with two humps are found. That's why these camels are called as Bactrian camels. So now deserts are also known for venomous snakes, desert foxes, hyenas, including camels. So now penguins are the main species in the desert of Antarctica. Now let's talk about people. People living in deserts. Deserts are sparsely populated. They are mainly inhabited by tribal people. Tribal people means American Indians from Patagonian Desert, Aboriginals from Australian Desert, Banjaras from India, Pueblos from North America, and Cherokees and Bedouins from the Sahara Desert. So they live a nomadic life and pastoral life. They spend their lives by rearing, fishing and farming. They rear camels, sheep and goats. And they trade in rugs, handicrafts, and they rug like this. And they rear barley, some types of crops. Now, and the deserts are the storehouses of important minerals like oil and natural gas. They are mined in huge quantities in the Saudi Arabia, UAE, Kuwait, Iran and Iraq. Thank you.